All right, I'm going to cut across to Prema Rajaram, reporting live en route to Kanti in West Bengal. Prema, if you can take us through these heated allegations, Mamata Banerjee sticking to her stand that the BJP tried to cripple her because they are intimidated by her campaigning the length and breadth of Bengal. At a time like this, BJP is reminding Mamata Banerjee to get a reality check and make her medical reports public. What more do we know from these allegations that Mamata has made?
These allegations have been flying fast between BJP and the Trinamool Congress, and even after the Election Commission has stated in its report that this was an accident and not an attack, Mamata Banerjee goes on to maintain that it was the BJP who tried to cripple her and that she continues to reach out to the people while she's campaigning in various parts of West Bengal, sitting on a wheelchair with her foot in a cast. But we can see that Amit Shah has said that it is Mamata Banerjee who should be making these reports public, the medical reports, and that she should be telling the truth, because BJP denies that they were behind the attack. But 3 days ahead of the elections, we can see that the battle between the Trinamool Congress and BJP is getting more fierce, and Prime Minister Modi is in West Bengal today, is holding a rally in Kanti in West Bengal, where Shishir Adhikari, who is the Trinamool Congress MP who had switched to BJP recently, he's expected to be there, and also Dibyendu Adhikari, his son, and who is also Shubhendu Adhikari's brother. So the battle is getting more fierce here, Nabila. But as far as the allegations about Mamata Banerjee and foot is concerned, and the BJP being behind the attack, it is Mamata's way of saying that she's going to be undeterred by whoever is, despite the fact that whoever is behind the attack, be it BJP or anybody else. But BJP continues to maintain that Mamata Banerjee is scared, her time is up, and that the BJP will be reigning supreme in West Bengal very soon. Back to you, Nabila.
Right, Prema, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. We're looking at Amit Shah, hectic campaign rallies that he's carrying out. So is Mamata Banerjee, and both of them hurling words at each other, quite some heated words at each other, and allegations flying thick and fast. Remains to be seen how the election pans out.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.